Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the Greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have red pea soup made by my chef sister. So guys, let me tell you the 411. Pepper. Oh, we have wooden spoon and wooden forks, but I'm going to tell you the 411 while I'm eating soup because it's good. My husband is not talking because he says everyone is saying that he can't go without talking. This spoon is why pepper didn't I eat. My sister put her foot in this soup. My sister makes the best red pea soup ever. But I'm gonna get into that. Richie said he's not talking because everyone keeps on saying that he can't go without talking. So he wants to prove you guys wrong. This spoon is perfect for soup. Yeah, show them picture. That's a dumpling. Get your ass out of here. So he's here to prove you guys wrong, guys. Listen, I'm not used to Richie not talking. So in here, in the red pea soup is beef, chicken foot, yam, dumpling, corn, carrot, and of course the red peas. That's what makes the red pea soup. This is my absolute favorite. This is my absolute favorite. Especially when my sister makes it. No one's red pea soup is better than my sister's. Honey, just because you're not talking doesn't mean you can't cough, you know. So he's here to prove you guys wrong. Because, listen guys, you guys torturing me now because now my husband not talking. But, because he's not talking, I feel weird. Richie has a Papa Bear bowl, and I have the Mama Bear bowl. Yeah, she did a good job with the soup. Her soup is always good. You see that? That's a Scotch bonnet pepper. You see that? Ooh. My sister makes the best soup. Best soup. Thank you, my love. She makes the best soup, honey? Let me ask you a question. You're trying to prove to them that you can go without talking? They know you can go without talking. It's on point. Listen to me. I'm not gonna be here translating it now. You mind? If you want to say something, you better try chat. Guys, even you doing that is chatting because you want me to translate it because you cannot talk. That yam is good. So you're not gonna give them word of the day? You guys know I love me some chicken foot. Another Scotch bonnet pepper. That's 2 me fine enough. These spoons are really good. They're nice and light. Come over here and see my chuck. These spoons, I got them from Amazon. I actually saw a couple of YouTubers using it, but what made me really go out and buy it was when I saw Coffee Locks Reloaded. She and her husband was using these to eat. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get one. Especially for our little thing. It makes a lot of noise when we're eating with a fork. Come closer to me, honey. It smells good to it. Boy! You look nice, honey. Honey, you're not gonna talk to me? I wanna talk to you. Talk to the family? They told me to ask you why you're not talking. I love water. Okay, so you see, guys, in the soup, you see how the dumpling is cut up? So, my sister, in my soup, I don't like big dumpling. But her husband, my brother-in-law, he's a man, so he likes big dumpling in his soup. So when my sister makes red pea soup, she makes the big dumplings, and then when she's giving me some, she cuts up my dumplings for me, because she knows I don't like big dumpling. I think that's so sweet of her to do that. Honey, you have more soup than me, and you're almost finished. No. You don't got my plate. You don't want the corn, but you want me to trade your corn for a piece of meat. No. Even though you're not talking, I know you're saying enough. I'm married to you. You want to give me his corn. You see you? The chicken foot. So as you guys know, oh no, honey, stop! Wait, stop! Honey, my jaw. Remember the time I went to the dentist? That shit, I can't open my mouth no wider than this, honey. Oh, stop! No, I'm serious. Something happened in my mouth.
Let me see.
Fuck, I am.
You better edit that shit. You better edit that shit. Fuck out of here. I should.
Hey, have your beard. Wait, you stood there. You didn't talk. You talked to save me. Don't worry about it. Go ahead, finish your mission. Honey, they know that you don't have to talk. Oh my gosh. You see what you guys done did? You guys done tortured me. Now my husband can't talk. I feel weird not talking to him while I'm eating. So anyway, but it did hurt though. I don't know what happened. My sister, she's a chef that I told you, and she has done a lot of catering events for celebrities, but I can't really tell you who they are because she signed an NDA. And if you don't know what that is, that is a non-disclosure agreement. But I can say that one of the person that she catered for is a tennis player, and she's black. Another person that she catered for was the first lady of one of our former president. I mean, and many, many more, but I can't say who because she signed an NDA. But my sister's a very good chef. Very good chef. She can cook anything. Oh my god, this soup is so good. Can you believe that when my sister's making this soup cooks for about 8 hours? Low and slow. She doesn't bother it. She just puts everything in a pot and leaves it. When I try that way, I burn my soup. I can't walk away and leave it. If I leave it slow, I don't know how she does it. And nothing burns. That's the weird thing. Because peas, if you don't keep your eye on it, it will burn. It'll get to the bottom. You understand? Are you good? You full, honey? You want my food? And the good thing is, stop looking over here. And the good thing is, Richie and I have been together for so long, I could practically tell you what he's saying. So, he probably doesn't even need to talk. But I want him to talk. But I want him to talk. My husband's my cushion. He's like, when he's not talking, I feel weird. So, this is kind of torturous for me. I'm gonna be honest. I can't talk to my husband because he's not talking right now. But it's too good. It's a big piece of meat enough. It's good. A red pea soup. Soup Saturday, but it's not Saturday though. Wait. The amount of time you look over here, my gosh. Did you have enough meat? Mine enough. Eat your food. It's so. This is so good. I'm gonna ask you guys. I know I'm late, but Richie usually says it, so I forgot. How was your day? How have you guys been? I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you're not, it'll get better. Think good vibes. Remember all the good things that you have. And whatever you're going through, it'll get better, okay? Man, that was good. Thank you, honey. Oh, excuse me. It gives you a lot, right? And notice that I love these. It gives you a lot at a time. I can't wait to try the fork. We have wooden forks too, like I said. It's a beef. Honey, you have not spoken. So do you think, are you gonna do your outro? Do you share nothing? You're not gonna say nothing? What? Yo. Excuse me. The family is not gonna like this. They're not gonna like it, you know? I'm pissed off. Oh my. I can drink this with no problem. I could drink 2 more right now. I love water. You're letting nothing go to waste. My gosh. I'm done. Finish. That was a big bowl. Oh, excuse me, guys. All right, family. As you can see, Richie accomplished it. He has not spoken a word. I tried to break him out of character by pretending something was wrong with my jaw, and you know, but that didn't work, guys. Okay, guys, we love you and we appreciate you guys. Thank you for coming over and joining us and watching us. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, just share the videos to everyone for us so they can get to see us too. And we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. You gotta say bye, my love.
Bye!